Welcome to my YouTube channel Mind, Body and Heal. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get a notification for every new video. Hi friends, in this video I am going to talk about COVID-19 vaccine. Everybody has only one question across the world, that is when the vaccine for corona or COVID will come. We don't yet know exactly when a safe and effective COVID-19 vaccine will be ready for distribution, but we estimate that it could be available till February or April of 2021. Before COVID-19 vaccines can be delivered, several important challenges must be overcome. There are many strict protections in place to help ensure that COVID-19 vaccines will be safe. Like all vaccines, COVID-19 vaccines should go through a rigorous multi-stage testing process, including large trials that involves tens of thousands of people. These trials, which include people at high risk for COVID-19, are specially designed to identify any common side effects or other safety concerns. The vaccine must be proven safe and effective in large clinical trials. An external panel of experts convened by WHO called SAGE will analyze the results from clinical trials and along with evidence on the disease, age groups affected, risk factors for disease and other information, they will recommend whether and how the vaccine should be used. Officials in individual countries will decide whether to approve the vaccines for national use and develop policies for how to use the vaccines in their country based on the WHO recommendation. The vaccine must be manufactured in large quantities, which will be a major and unprecedented challenge, all the while continuing to produce all the other important life-saving vaccines already in use. For now, we have good news. The Pfizer company and BioNTech look to remain ahead in the race to deliver a vaccine. The FDA is reportedly scheduled to review Pfizer EUA submission next month. By that time, Moderna company will have also likely made its submission. From the weekend, there are reports that Pfizer company would be able to begin delivering the vaccine just days later. While that is certainly positive news, a more worldwide inoculation would likely take longer, however. Now the next question is, will COVID-19 vaccine will provide long-term protection? It's too early to know if COVID-19 vaccine will provide long-term protection. Additional research is needed to answer this question. However, it is encouraging that available data suggests that most people who recover from COVID-19 develop an immune response that provides at least some protection against reinfection. Although we are still learning how strong this protection is and how long it lasts. It also yet not clear how many doses of COVID-19 vaccine will be needed. Most COVID-19 vaccine being tested now are using 2-dose regimens. Most scientists anticipate that, like most other vaccines, COVID-19 vaccines will not be 100% effective. WHO is working to help ensure that any approved vaccines are as effective as possible so they can have the greatest impact on the pandemic. So friends, till the vaccine comes in the market, what is our responsibility? We have to take these simple measures which will help to avoid getting COVID-19 infection. These precautions are mask. Put mask always when you go outside. Use only N95 mask or surgical mask. Use good sanitizer to clean your hands when outside. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from everyone and especially from those who is coughing or sneezing. Don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth when you are outside. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough and difficulty breathing, immediately seek medical attention. Now I will tell you the homeopathic management to prevent COVID-19 infection and boost your immunity. The medicine which is very famous in this pandemic is Arsenic 30. This comes in a liquid form. Take 2 drops in 10 teaspoons of warm water. Drink in the morning in the empty stomach. Do this for 3 consecutive days. During these 3 days, avoid eating raw onion, drinking coffee and stay away from strong smelling things like perfume, deodorant and menthol. Repeat this medicine every month for minimum 6 months. This can also be given to child above 6 months of age. Homeopathic medicines are safe, effective and without any serious side effects. Thanks friends for watching till the end. If you have any queries, please comment down below. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification for every new video. Think healthy, eat healthy and live healthy and enjoy the process of life.